Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Cordova Mathematics of grade 5th. We are doing chapter 6 Factors and Multiples. Students, we already studied divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Today we will start divisibility by 11. What is the mean of divisibility? You all understand? Yes. Okay, so let's start divisibility by 11. Students, first of all we have to know what is the mean of odd place. What is the mean of odd place and even place? You all know even number or odd number. Now we are learning place, even place or odd place. That is so easy. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So 1, 3, 5 these are odd numbers and these called odd places also. Odd places also. 8 is 8 ones place and 1 come in odd number. So this one is odd place. 3. 3 is tens place, that means and second number 1, 2. So 2 comes in even number. So 3 is 8 even place. Next 8. 8 is 8 hundreds place and if we count 1, 2, 3. 3 comes in odd numbers and 8 is 8 odd place. So like this we will find out the which number is odd at on odd place or which number is 8 even place. Okay, now we have example 2838. So this number is divisible by 11 or not. So let's check the even place or odd place. At odd place we have, I am writing here odd place पे कौन कौन से नंबर है 8 and 8. If you don't understand you can write your numbers also. Okay, sorry 3, 4. So 1 is odd number 8. 3 and 8. 8 is also odd place. So total of both 16. Now even places. Even places we have even number 1, 2. At 2 we have 3 and at 4 we have 2. The number is 5. Okay. What we will do next? We will do subtraction of both numbers. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. We got 11. And 11 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, 11 is divisible by 11. So how we will check? First of all, we will add odd places and even places. Both are individually. Okay. Then we will subtract both. The answer, that means if difference is divisible by 11, so we can divisible by 11 the given number. Okay students, next come on divisibility by 14. We have shortcut method for this. 2 multiply by 7. 7 to the 14. So this one divided by 2 or 7, both number. This divisible by 2 or 7. So we know that what is the divisibility rule of 2? At ones place we should have 2, 4, 6 and 8 should at ones place. And what is the divisibility of 7? What is rule of this? So rule of this is, suppose we have an example. We are doing divisibility by 7. Okay, divisibility by 7. Okay, so what we will do? We will multiply ones place at twice. 2 times we will multiply. So we have at ones place 5 and we will multiply by 2. What number we have? Yes, 10. And we will subtract the answer from the remaining number, from the remaining number. Okay students, from the remaining number we will subtract. Then we got 35. Is 35 divisible by 7 or not? Yes. 7 5 ja 35. 7 5 ja 35. That means this one is divisible by 7. I am telling you again, divisible by 7 you know, and divisibility by 7, ones place we will multiply by 2. At ones place we have 5 and we will multiply by 2. Always we will multiply with 2 the ones place and the answer. Okay, and the answer will subtract with remaining number. Remaining number is 45. Remaining number is 45 and we got the answer 10. So we will subtract 35. Next, divisibility by 15. 3 multiply by 5. 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so the number should divisible by 3 and 5 with both numbers. Okay students, now you know all what is the divisibility rule of 3 and 5. In 3, the addition of all digits should be divisible by 3, and in 5, at ones place we should have 0 or 5 that are divisible by 3 or 5. Okay students, next divisibility by 16. 2 multiply by 9. 2 multiply by 9. 9 to the 18. This one is 18. Divisibility by 18. 9 multiply by 2. 9 to the 18. And what is the rule of this? This should be divisible by 2 and 9. Both numbers. With both numbers. We know what is the rule of divisibility 2. At ones place we should have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. What is the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. You know all these? Yes. So, these are divisibility by 11, 14, 15 and 18. And in this we learn divisibility by 7. In divisibility by 7, what we will do, I am telling you again. At ones place we have a number. That number will multiply by 2. The answer will subtract from remaining number. Remaining number we have 45 and then we will subtract. Okay, the number should be divisible by 7. Okay students, so this was divisibility rules. Now you have to do question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3 and question number 4 on page number 61. On page number 61 you have to do in your notebook. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 11. You know what is the rule of divisibility? 11. Yes. Next we will do test of divisibility the given numbers by 18 by 15. In 18 we will multiply 2 multiply by 9. That means both numbers should be divisible. And in 15 3 multiply by 5. Okay, so 2 questions are your today's homework. Next, we will start new chapter. Till then students, bye bye.